Hey guys, I'm out here today with a plain-bellied water snake that I caught not in water. Jesus. These are about the least aquatic water snakes that there are. It's very interesting. These guys I often find quite far from water, actually. Especially after a good rain. These guys travel pretty far. I don't get it. But they are water snakes. These guys are rather fun to catch, though, because they bite a lot. Bit me a good few times. I'm going to go ahead and let her go. Oh, okay. Goodbye.